How to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open your Facebook app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards your profile page. At the top left corner, you can find your profile picture. Tap on it. With that, you will land to your profile. Now over here, you will find three dots. Tap on it. With that, different options will appear. You will see the option of turn on professional mode. Tap on that option. Tap on turn on. Your profile is now in professional mode. Tap on continue. Professional mode setup. Finish setting up your profile. You have to complete all these processes. Firstly, connect with your audience. Likewise, review privacy settings. Establish your presence. After you complete all these, you will be good to go. You can head back to your profile and refresh it. You'll see the option of Profile Digital Creator. So this is how you can easily turn on profile on Facebook. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.